Hi there, I'm Sage from Keeper, and today we're going to be covering the beginning stages of your month-end review in Keeper. If you find this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below or reach out to us using the purple widget in the bottom right corner of your Keeper account. And lastly, check out the description of this video to find helpful links covering today's topic. Let's dive in. Like we discussed in our last video, the close page is a ledger integrated checklist of everything you need to do for your client. It comes pre-built with certain default sections and tasks, and is fully customizable based on the way that you do your work. All you need to do is click on the client, and it'll redirect you there. The first step in beginning your month-end close in Keeper is ensuring you're in the correct month by looking at the top of the page. And there are two reasons that this is important. The first is tasks. Many of your tasks in Keeper are tied directly to a particular closing period so that you can replicate a consistent workflow month over month. And the second reason is transactions. Keeper pulls 12 months of QBO or zero ledger data into each and every close page. If you're looking to review transactions outside of that 12-month window, you may need to switch closes, which you can do by clicking into this drop-down menu. For more information on how to run a cleanup, click the link below in the description of this video. You can work on multiple close periods at once. This can be really helpful if you're still waiting on the client to officially close out, but you're ready to get started on the newest period. It's important to note that does not impact your ability to complete previous tasks or view outstanding client communication. Additionally, this does not impact your client's access to outstanding questions in the portal. This also means that even if your clients are a bit behind in getting you information, you or your bookkeepers can still move on to the next close page without any issues. Keeper's monthly close page consists of 6 default sections with pre-built tasks in each section. You're welcome to customize these by adding or removing tasks and reports or hiding entire sections altogether. The sections are meant to be chronological, representing a month-end close from start to finish, and are set to roll forward so you have a consistent, repeatable process month over month. The first section is the pre-close, which includes tasks that are related to kicking off the month-end close. You'll see that we have a templated task for you automatically, which is to make sure all transactions in the bank feed are coded. And this is a very important reminder that Keeper cannot review transactions within our reports until they have been coded from the bank feed. So definitely make sure to do that first. As I mentioned, you can also add tasks to the section that you would like to repeat monthly. For instance, tasks that deal with data entry, like coding transactions from the bank feed, posting sale journal entries from the point of sale system, or payroll journal entries. Next, we have the account reconciliation section. And this is another step in the process that, for now, needs to happen in QuickBooks or Xero first, but can be tracked and managed in Keeper. The section will automatically pull in all of your clients' bank and credit card accounts, and the idea is that this is a checklist where you can keep tabs on where you stand with tying out those accounts, plus any other balance sheet or income statement accounts you might reconcile. If there are accounts in this list that are inactive or don't need to be reconciled, remove them by clicking on them and deleting the task. This will not delete anything from QuickBooks or Xero, just from your list of closing tasks in Keeper. You can also add any accounts that might be missing. So for instance, balance sheet accounts like loan accounts or due to froms that Keeper doesn't automatically include. Additionally, you can reorder the accounts by dragging and dropping them. So go ahead and pause this video now to add or remove any accounts in your client's reconciliation section that you need or don't need, and I'll be right here when you're done. Now you may have noticed that for each account, we show you the balance at the end of the month as well as the last reconciled transaction date. Just be aware this date is not necessarily the date you reconciled the account or the statement end date. It's a transaction date, reflecting the most recent transaction in the register that has a reconciled status. You can also add a time-stamped balance column to display the balance of the account as of the time that you completed the task, and this can help you identify accounts whose balances have changed since reconciliation. If the timestamped balance doesn't match the live book balance, that means something has changed in the account since you've reconciled it, and you can click into the task to view the register and investigate. If you're interested in enabling this feature, check out the description of this video. We also recommend attaching any supporting documentation like bank statements or reconciliation reports directly to the task. This will help you stay organized and allow managers to review their team's work without needing to switch back and forth between Keeper and QBO or Xero. All files stored in Keeper are easily accessible from the Files area right here. After coding and reconciling, the next step is to start the transaction review, an area of Keeper that helps you catch and correct coding errors and communicate with your clients, so make sure to check out the next video in this series to learn more. That's where we're going to call it for today. If you found value out of today's video, consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below or reach out to us using the purple widget in the bottom right corner of your Keeper account. And lastly, check out the description of this video to find helpful links covering today's topic. See you guys in the next one.